Hey guys, we just got back yesterday night from our trip and I'm kind of excited to be home. We have a couple of, well, I'm on vacation anyways until 2nd of January, so I have 2 days free, and then on the 30th we're going upstate to celebrate New Year's upstate. We're into the house, so I wanted to show you we got a couple of things in St. Lucia. I got a couple of things for my family. I'm gonna send them as souvenirs. I got this banana ketchup. Let me shut off the music. I got this banana ketchup. It's actually delicious. It has a pretty strong banana flavor. I thought it would be really fun and they'd really enjoy, just enjoy it. I think it's something interesting. My mom wants magnets from every place I go, so I always bring her magnets. And I got two, you know, I did my best to pick the most non-generic looking ones, but you know, it is what it is. I thought this was really cute. Yeah, fire. Loved it. Okay, that's that. And for my little niece, I got a little t-shirt. I think it's a little big for her now, but maybe she'll grow into her. What does it say? A cool place to hang, St. Lucia. I completely agree with that. So yeah. And me and Andy were just talking yesterday, and he's like, even though we spent just like 5 days there or whatever, it just feels so much longer for some reason. Feels much longer than that. And I think it's because, you know, when we are just going about our everyday lives, we don't get, it's just kind of the same routine, so you don't feel like you break out of the pattern a whole lot. And when we went there, we just did, you know, so many things during each day, so that it always feels, I don't know, exciting. And like, even though it's just one day, you managed to go to the beach, you had lunch at this beautiful restaurant, then you went to some mountain, or you went to springs, or you went, I don't know, walked through the jungle, and like so many different things, and you changed so many places, so it feels like your day is just fuller. And yeah, I was really tired every day. I went to sleep early. Oh, Moshki, we missed you so much, my mumu. I'm trying to be productive today because I have so many things to do. Oh, what is this on the counter, baby? And also, I got obsessed when we were there. We had quite a lot of pumpkin soup, and I just got obsessed with the idea of making pumpkin soup. Oh, anyway, if it bothers anyone that the cat is on the counter, it really does not bother me. He's everywhere. And he really missed us, I can tell, because yesterday when we walked in, he was just like crying. I was in the shower and he was just sitting by the bathtub and crying, even though we had somebody come in twice a day to like feed him and cuddle him and give him hugs and kisses. Oh, okay, I don't know what to say. Okay, anyways, I got obsessed with this pumpkin soup idea, so I went out and I got me 2 pumpkins. This is a kabocha squash that I quite like, and this is, what is it, just your regular butternut squash, some ginger, some carrots, some onion. I think I'm gonna add a couple of potatoes that I already have. And then also I needed some coconut milk to make it creamy, but then I found this coconut cream, and it says it's similar to coconut milk but thicker and more luxurious. Do you agree, Charlie? What do you think about this can? Looks nice. And then to garnish, I bought some cilantro. What is this? Oh, and also some fennel. I thought roasted fennel would go so well with pumpkin soup. I used to hate fennel until I cooked it myself. I love it now. And then I have some green onion. I don't know, I just thought it would be a good idea. Okay, I'm sorry. I gotta cuddle this for a second. That's why he's here. He just wants some cuddles. Anyways, and then I bought my favorite bread that you all well know, Ezekiel, and vegan mayo. This is my favorite to reduce fat, vegan eats. Very good. Okay, so I'm gonna try to organize this. I think I'm gonna roast the pumpkins first and then blend them in the soup. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna show you the finished product, if these beasts let me. I haven't had breakfast yet either. I want to eat. Okay, things are roasting in the oven. I stuck everything in there, actually even like fennel and carrot and onion, to kind of roast it up a little bit. So hopefully it's gonna come out nice. Now I have avocado toast somewhere underneath there. I'm really hungry now. So 2 avocado toasts with some scallion and cilantro. cuke and tomato. And I don't know what I was thinking when I was like shuffling pans around. I grabbed one of the pans that was in the oven for like 20 minutes and I burnt my fingers. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this and try to go through some of the parcels that I have that I need to return, and try to like organize a little bit, because I feel like we just dump things whatever, like Andy and his pants. So anyways, and try to clean up a little bit as well. Okay, all my pumpkins are nice and roasted, so let me see. I'm expecting a bit of caramelization. Okay, well, just a tiny bit, but it's okay. It's nice and soft. I'm just gonna scoop it out. This is also ready. I put a little bit of garlic to roast there as well. And the veggies, they don't have too much color, but they've been roasting for a while, so I'm just, you know what, that's good enough. You can roast them longer at higher temperature to get a bit more caramelization, but I think it should be just fine. There's a bit here and there. I think it should be okay. So I'm going to add some ginger and a can of, I can't decide between coconut cream and coconut milk. I think coconut cream may be a little too rich. Okay, into the pan, fresh ginger, roasted garlic, it's soft and creamy. Then add all of your pumpkin, add all of your other delicious roasted vegetables. I wanted to use fennel for decorating, but I think I'm just gonna put it in. I think it's gonna be good in it. You know, how bad can it be? It's a veggie soup. But you can totally use it for, you know, garnishing later on. Okay, that's what I have so far. And lastly, I added a can of coconut milk after all, some turmeric, salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, bring it to a boil, cook it until everything is tender, or until, you know, you can easily blend it with an immersion blender. Blend it up and be right back to garnish. Voila, I cooked it for additional like 10 minutes just to incorporate all the flavors. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so time to serve some of this delicious, nutritious lunch. I put some cilantro and green onion as a garnish. I love cilantro with pumpkin soup, I'm not sure why, but it's my favorite. And green onion I love with everything. It's really thick. If you like to make it less thick, you definitely can, but I kind of like it nice and thick. I actually did taste it already. It's very delicious. It's very everything you would expect from a nice bowl of pumpkin soup. I added more ginger, or you can add whatever veggies you like, maybe some zucchini to create volume, but I quite like it just like that. So I'm going to enjoy this for my lunch, and I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, hey guys, it's Thursday, January 3rd, I think so. I'm working from home because it is crazy out there. Can you see this? I woke up at like 7 and it was okay, but now it's like 8:30 and it is looking pretty scary. Like the gusts of wind, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but yeah, so working from home today. Goodness, it's crazy out there. I just spoke to you like literally 20 minutes ago. I brushed my teeth, and do you see this? I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like it. Andy's actually out at work. I just called him and I was like, dude, take a day, like come home, because this is crazy. Like driving in this weather, I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm working from home and I have like all these breakouts. I'm not sure what's happening, but there's something I'm kind of, I don't know if I ever mentioned that a few years back I was following a vegan lifestyle for 2 years, and I don't know why I decided to do it. I just woke up one day, my mom was going through some health issues and I was researching ways to fix them, and you know, all roads lead to vegan, I don't know. So, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. I did it for 2 years. I never looked or felt better. I don't know if I could show pictures, but anyways, I lost a lot of weight. You know, it was just like I felt really good. I never felt heavy, like basically. And then I don't know, after a while I just kind of felt, I don't know, it just kind of happened that I stopped doing it. So anyways, so I want to kind of revisit some of it. I don't want to say that I'm like going completely vegan, because then like if I ever have a strawberry shortcake. So anyways, but I was thinking, and I tried to get back on track kind of several times, and I was thinking, why did I fail? And I think that's because I was kind of doing this all or nothing approach, where I would just be super healthy, eat like extremely healthy, so then if I ever had a craving, like it would accumulate over time, and then I would just binge, and then I would be like, okay, so that's not worth it. So this time around I'm just gonna focus on long-term goal. Like I'm gonna, if I want, you know, something fried or whatever, I'm gonna fry me some tofu. I don't know, just something, meaning focus more on long-term goal, and you know, go with the, I guess, lesser of evils. So that's, I don't know, we'll see if it works. I just kind of, I was like, okay, let's just try it, you know, new year, new me kind of thing. I you know, but what am I trying to say? It's still early in the morning, so yeah, so I'm starting my day. So basically what I'm trying to say is I'm starting my day with oatmeal, and this is cranberry and apple oatmeal with some maple syrup, and we'll see how the day goes. I need to go to that supermarket to buy something for lunch. Can you see? I mean, I know for some places this is probably nothing, but for us this is a big deal. Everybody's working from home, my entire team is working from home. It's just like emergency situation. You know who doesn't really care about any of that? This little monster. So it's so funny, like if you approach him from this side, he'll bite you, right? But if you do like this, see? He's like this cuddly little creature. And he will always bite your hand, but never your face. Like if I actually try to kiss him, he'll never bite. But if I scratch him in the wrong spot, he definitely will bite. Definitely. Cha-cha. Why are you so difficult, baby? Charlie, what are you doing? Silly cat. Okay, so lunchtime. I made this veggie pasta. So this is whole wheat spaghetti, and basically I didn't want to go outside, so I just checked what I had in the fridge. I had some diced canned tomatoes, I had some mushrooms, garlic, onions, kale, and some artichokes in like oil, you know, one of those that come with antipasto. So basically I threw everything in a pan, held my fingers crossed, and wham, we have this like everything pasta. I think it tastes alright. I mean, I'm hungry and it's lunchtime. I think it looks pretty decent. Hey guys, we just got back home from Trader Joe's, and I wanted to show you what we got. We bought a bunch of stuff. It's gonna last us well, food for the week, and also probably some of it is just not perishable, so I think it's gonna last us for quite some time. We wanted to go to Costco, but what is this? But it was so busy that we couldn't even find a spot to park the car, to be completely honest. So we just decided to go to Trader Joe's instead. So let me show you, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, well, so no, I just really wanted some fruit, and I'm trying to cut out meat and dairy out of my diet as much as I can. So I bought some vegan ice cream, just in case, you know, if I have a craving, I can still have something sweet, but it doesn't have any dairy in it. And then some raspberries. We have some, what is this, vegan tikka masala. I was curious to check it out. Then we have sliced pineapple, mango, and cantaloupe. Okay, I just made some space because I was just like getting a little crazy. Then we have some blueberries, mushrooms, avocado, some brown rice and quinoa pasta. I'm really curious about this. And then Andy got some of this capunti. I don't know. I'm not sure, but he likes this shaped pasta. We have some red quinoa as well. Okay, I got some crunchy unsalted peanut butter, always unsalted. That's just my preference. He got some kind of blue cheese. What is this blue cheese? I'm not sure why it's in this fancy packaging, but then Andy got some cold cuts and some sausages. He quite likes that. Potatoes, the seaweed snacks I quite like. Then we have a bunch of nuts and raisins. I want to add it in my oatmeal because I was getting a little bored with just plain oatmeal with fruit. So I think it's a nice way to kind of spice it up. Banana chips for snacking, regular bananas, and then a bunch of other fruit. They had some apples, some blood oranges. What else? More apples. I also really like this vegetable gyoza. They have with shrimp and they're also really good, but I got veggie ones this time around. These are so delicious. I also got these veggie burgers. I'm going to try. You know, sometimes when I'm in a rush, it's kind of an easy way to put dinner on the table. Then some frozen peas. What is this? Some kind of oh, it's a lemon. I was doing this like a detoxifying ton, I don't know, whatever. So you just put lemons, fresh ginger, turmeric, and honey, and drink it, and it's delicious and, you know, preventative and whatnot. So we just got lemons for that. Then we have some asparagus, broccolini. This is so delicious. If you go to Trader Joe's, definitely get this one. It's like delicious. Then we have some salad and some spinach, hummus, and these beautiful dates. Don't they look just so like delicious and juicy? Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering as I'm looking at this. And also some string beans. Okay, so that's all we got. I'm gonna put it away and cook something for dinner because we are hungry.
The door and he jumps and he sits next to you.
Good morning. So this is the situation. I don't think Charlie is feeling very well. Don't touch his belly. He doesn't like it when you touch his belly. So anyways, I'm making waffles. Andy already had his breakfast. I'm trying not to burn these, but ouch. Anyways, oh, and I made this tonic. It's like Andy got a big bag of ginger, and so it has fresh ginger, turmeric powder. I don't have fresh turmeric, and lemon juice, a whole lemon. I put a bit of honey and just some hot water. So we're having that because we were feeling a little funky. I think now we're recovering, but anything that helps. And it's actually really delicious, even though I really dislike turmeric. Just be gentle. Andy got him some kind of a sprouter. Where is it? This carrot sprouter. But it doesn't come with any soil. We bought some wheat berries to sprout right there. It's actually pretty big, so I don't know, like for one cat it's way too big, but we're gonna sprout him some wheat because I think, I don't know, his belly is just bothering him. I think he keeps going to the litter box and I don't know what the problem is, but he gets like that sometimes, right? We brought him to the vet a few times for him in the past to do the x-ray because we were afraid he ate something. It was fine, but yeah, he just keeps like meowing and Papa is concerned. And he has to bribe him with some catnip to be able to do that. Cha-cha, look, you lost like 2 pounds of fur. Is there more? Look, this big giant tub of catnip. I'm afraid he's going to open it.